Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and today we are going to be calling coin shops all over the US and finding out what they would pay us for 1 ounce gold eagles and 1/10 ounce gold eagles. I would love to see what the difference in price is between the two of 1 ounce and fractional gold. So let's get on the phone and find out by calling coin shop number 1. But before we do me a favor and don't forget to subscribe and help us continue to grow the channel because we are on our way to 150,000 subscribers. My channel is sponsored by sdbullion.com. New customers can get their first order of gold or silver at spot by going to sdbullion.com/new. Hey, do you guys buy gold eagles?
Yes, we do.
Could you tell me what you're paying for 1 ounce and 1/10 ounce today?
Actually, see where because we're at 1943. So 1943 on gold eagles. If you want 1950, I could do that. On the 10th ounces at 195, you probably can do 200 on those.
Okay, so 1950 and 200. All right, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so our first shop was offering us basically spot for 1 ounce gold eagles, 1950, and then 1/10 ounce gold eagles, they were offering us 200 apiece, which is $2,000 an ounce. I think they were a little bit light on the 1/10 ounce gold eagles, but I do like that they were offering us more for the fractionals as opposed to the 1 ouncers. So we're going to call some more shops. There's just one. Let's get shop number 2 on the phone. Yeah, hi. Do you guys buy gold eagles?
Yes.
Okay. Could you tell me what you're paying for 1 ouncers and 1/10 ouncers?
It's 1945 an ounce.
Okay. And that's what you pay for 1/10 or 1 ounce?
Yeah.
Okay.
And those things are in new condition.
All right. Yeah, of course. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye. All right, coin shop number 2, not interested in paying over spot. They are offering a spot for both 1 ouncers and 1/10 ounce gold eagles. Again, I do believe that 1/10 ounce gold eagle should get a premium, but this shop disagrees. All right, let's call up shop number 3 and see what they have to say. Hey, do you guys buy gold eagles?
We do, yes.
Could you tell me what you're paying for 1 ounce and 1/10 ounce?
We would be spot price.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, not a problem. Have a good one.
You too, bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, coin shop number 3 also offering us just spot price. So that's 2 in a row offered spot. One offered us a little bit more than spot for 1 ounce eagles and a little bit more than that for 1/10 ounce gold eagles. Certainly not getting any sort of return on the premium, but that's all right. We're going to keep going and see if we can find anyone to offer us any better. The good news is we have not had anybody offer us backup spot yet. Let's see what we can do. Hey, could you tell me what you're paying for 1 ounce and 1/10 ounce gold eagles today?
1 ounce gold eagles, we are paying $1,976.87, and 10th ounce gold eagles, $222.19.
Oh wow, thank you. That's a lot better than I've found so far. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, so shop number 4, the phone was a little bit raspy, but they were definitely offering us a lot better than the other shops. Well above spot for both 1 ounce gold eagles and 1/10 ounce gold eagles. So that's 4 coin shops so far, but let's see if we can make some calls to a couple of 2-party consent states and get their information, and then we'll all wrap it up at the end and see what we are getting on average from local coin shops for 1/10 ounce as well as 1 ounce gold eagles. All right, so we just finished calling the other 4 coin shops, and I'll go ahead and tell you the numbers that I got from them. So let's take a look. We're going to start with California. Now, we called California last time, and we got a pretty bad price on silver. This time, I called a different shop in California in a different part of California. It's a huge state, and they offered a spot for 1 ounce gold eagles, 105 over spot, 205 apiece for the 1/10 ounce gold eagles. That is not bad at all. Well done with that shop in California. Next up, shop number 6 in Washington. We actually called 2 shops in Washington. I'll tell you why in a second. But the first shop that we called in Washington had 1 ounce gold eagles at $19.75 over spot, or $19.75, which is $30 over spot, and 1/10 ounce gold eagles at $200 apiece for $2,000 an ounce at $55 over spot. Now, the reason we called Washington twice is because every single time we've ever called Washington in this video series, they have always offered me very, very strong. So that is not quite as strong as it's been, and they were really close between 1 ounce Eagles and 1/10 ounce Eagles, but we called a couple of shops in the one party consent states that offered us the same on both right at spot. So this is still stronger than those. Next up, shop number 7 is the other one in Washington. They offered us $19.60 for 1 ounce Gold Eagles and $206 a piece for 1/10 ounce Gold Eagles. Again, Washington, I'm sure one of these days I'm going to call Washington. It's going to be rough. And I don't live anywhere close to Washington. But, props to Washington. Like, the shops in Washington, so far, so good. So, not bad. And our final shop of the day, Illinois. 1 ounce Gold Eagles and 1/10 ounce Gold Eagles. We heard this from a couple of the shops in the one party consent states as well. But as you can see, 1 ounce and 1/10 ounce spot price is what they offered me. And so we had $19.45 on 1 ounce Eagles and $194.50 on 1/10 ounce Gold Eagles. And now that we have all 8 shops called, let's take a look at our averages, our lows, and our highs. So between the 8 shops that we called, if you look at 1 ounce Gold Eagles, you see the low was spot price at $19.45 with an average of all 8 shops of $19.55 or 10 over spot. That's actually better than I was expecting. And with a high of $19.76, which is 31 over spot. Now looking at 1/10 ounce Gold Eagles, the lowest we found on 8 different coin shops was spot price. The average was $76 over spot at 2021 or 202.10 per coin. And the high, $2,222 or $222.20 per coin. I think he actually said 19, but whatever. Either way, very, very good given the numbers that we found from the shops today. So that is actually a really good sign. In my opinion, it's really good to see that shops are paying at least spot price for 1 ounce and 10th ounce Gold Eagles. That means the 1/4 ounce and the 1/2 ounce probably fall somewhere between those numbers. But either way, it's a really good sign to see that out of 8 different coin shops, we found 8 different prices, all of which were at least spot. So I would love to know what you think down below. Personally, for me, that's a good sign that shops are paying, no matter what, at least a minimum of a spot price. Now, I'm sure if I would have kept calling, I would have found shops that offered us less. But, 8 shops in a row offered us minimum spot, if not more. And what does that make you think? Does that make you feel more confident about stacking Gold Eagles? Or are you going to be stacking something else instead? Because, to be honest, the premiums to buy 1 ounce Gold Eagles and really 1/10 ounce Gold Eagles is quite high. Not quite as high as the Silver Eagles, but still high nonetheless. Either way, like I already said, let me know down below and leave a comment. I would love to know your thoughts. Also, do me a favor if you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget to hit the like button and help YouTube recommend this video to others. And outside of that, have a great rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.